Hello, everybody. As you know, I had to be gone away from school today, so I've left you Solfege Bingo. By now, you should already have the card. As you can see, it's not quite the normal bingo board. So in order to win, you will need to either cover 4 spaces going across or 4 corners. How we'll do this, I've got my stack of cards right here, and I'll shuffle them up and I'll sing each pattern 3 times to give you time to listen to it and cover the right square on your bingo board. So here we go. Here's the first one. Do, mi, re, fa. And the second time. Do, mi, re, fa. And one last time. Do, mi, re, fa. All right, here's the second one. It's going to start on me. Mi, mi, re, so. Mi, mi, re, so. Mi, mi, re, so. Okay, here's the third pattern, starting on re. Re, re, mi, fa. Re, re, mi, fa. And one last time. Re, re, mi, fa. Here's the next pattern. It's going to start on do. Do, re, fa, fa. Do, re, fa, fa. Do, re, fa, fa. All right, here's the next pattern starting on do. Do, mi, re, so. Do, mi, re, so. Do, mi, re, so. And here's the next one, starting on me. Mi, re, mi, re. Mi, re, mi, re. And one last time. Mi, re, mi, re. All right, here's the next one starting on so. So, so, fa, do. So, so, fa, do. So, so, fa, do. And the next one, starting on do. Do, re, so, fa. Do, re, so, fa. I'm sorry, I did the wrong hand signs, but I did sing that correct. And one last time. Do, re, so, fa. And here's the next one, starting on so. So, do, do, mi. So, do, do, mi. So, do, do, mi. Here's the next one, starting on mi. Mi, so, mi, do. Mi, so, mi, do. And one last time. Mi, so, mi, do. All right, here's the new card, starting on re. Re, re, do, so. Re, re, do, so. Last time. Re, re, do, so. Next one, starting on re. Re, do, re. Re, do, re. Re, do, re. All right, here's the next one, starting on so. So, fa, mi, do. So, fa, mi, do. So, fa, mi, do. And here's another one for you. starting on do. Do, re, mi, fa. Do, re, mi, fa. Do, re, mi, fa. Next one is going to start on so. So, so, fa, mi. So, so, fa, mi. And one last time. So, so, fa, mi. Here's the next one, starting on re. Re, mi, do, so. Re, mi, do, so. And one last time. Re, mi, do, so. Now, if we haven't had a winner yet, when you do win, make sure you call out bingo, and you will take and sing back all of the patterns that you have covered. If you'd like to do it with a friend, that's cool with me, and I'll have Jolly Ranchers for you behind my desk. Next one is going to start on so. So, do, do, so. So, do, do, so. And one last time. So, do, do, so. All right, the next one is going to start on re. Re, do, do, mi. Re, do, do, mi. Re, do, do, mi. The next one's going to start on mi. Mi, do, do, mi. Very similar to the last one. Listen carefully. Mi, do, do, mi. Mi, do, do, mi. And here's the next one for you. It's starting on mi as well. Mi, re, do, so. Mi, re, do, so. And one more time. Mi, re, do, so. This one is also going to start on mi. Mi, fa, mi, do. Mi, fa, mi, do. Mi, fa, mi.